What's going on, YouTube? This your boy Corvette Rome. What it do? What it do? Your boy up here rolling with your boys out here, Dana and the Muscle Crew. We out here about to do a little mountain run today on this beautiful Saturday. We getting it in, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all some nice little aerial footage when I get up there to the top of the mountain. We about to go to I think it's Amicalola Falls State Park. We about to ride up there and we're gonna have some fun. Stay tuned. What it do, YouTube? We finally made it to our destination. We over here at Amicalola Falls State National Park. We about to go up here and have some fun. We about to do some runs through the park. We about to have a blast. Me and my Corvette crew, you know, Dana and the Muscle Crew. Here we go. Check it out. Got a vet right there. We got one behind me back there in the back. I don't know if you can see it all the way. I got a lot of stuff back there. There go my guy right there. You know what I'm saying? He and the vet back there behind me. And we about to have some fun. I'll see y'all on the run. Yeah, we all about to head up here to the lodge right quick. And I guess they want to do some things up here at the lodge. So we all walking up to the lodge. Your boy brought out the camera today too, you feel me? We taking, there's gonna be some Instagram pics coming up, all that. Stay tuned. Corvette Rome, baby. Shout yourself out, brother.
Man, my name is Rick. I live in
don't tell them where you live at, boy. This going on YouTube.
Oh, what's up? I'm Rick. I got the blue Mustang right here, representing Mustangs. It's only 3 of us out here. You know how we do it. Mustang life, baby. So they said there was an elevator.
I bet. Yeah, we made it to the scenic view over here at the lodge. You know, we got the whole crew here together. You know, you see these green shirts here everywhere. Look at that view. Look at that view. We all about to head over to the waterfall now. Look at everybody chilling. We're gonna walk down to the waterfall.
Oh, wait. Here you go, right here. I'll push you on that.
We try to increase this and bring more. Yeah, it's really nice.
My man trying to kill us. He taking us off. I ain't bringing my gun. We going in the woods. We going in the woods. This is some cabin wood stuff, man. He tripping.
We Elmer Fudd.
He right.
We Elmer Fudd.
Hey, look, he just don't know. We got bears in Georgia, man. He tripping. We gonna video this just in case somebody come on lost. Just in case somebody forget their way back.
I thought we was going down the steps.
I told you, somebody finna get lost up in here. Hey, I tell them all the time, Georgia got bears, man. They tripping.
Yeah, they do.
And I ain't got no honey for them, okay?
Right. And look, and I left the gun in the car.
I don't need another one.
Look, I'm gonna tell you like I used to tell my wife, hey, you get caught by the bear, I love you. I tell the kids about you when we get home.
They gonna back up because there's too many of them.
Right.
It would be different if it was one of them, but there's too many of them.
Hey, we used to have a joke in the house. If we was on the boat and you fell over in the water, the shark got you.
Yep.
I ain't pulling you back up. You know what I'm saying? You get up, I'm gonna kick you right on back down there. Get on back down there. Finish your dinner. Oh man, we could have drove down here.
That's what he said. He said we wouldn't get no space back.
Look, we hiking back up the mountain. But I don't know how this finna work. We too big and too old. Look at Dana there. They all the way back there. All right, y'all. I'm finna walk. I'll see y'all when we get to the top. What's going on, YouTube? Your boy kind of sweaty, man. We just made it up from that climb. We all got it up here by our cars, had a little nice little meeting. Now we on our way down the hill. So I'm gonna try to get y'all some video footage as we going down the hill, cause boy, your boy sweaty over here, boy. Your boy real sweaty. Boy, I'm sweaty up something. We stop here at Max Aaron's Apple House over here on the way down the mountain. Look at the crew. The Corvette Mustang crew. American muscle, baby. American muscle. Yeah, you know, you got your inside of the car right here, my side of Evette.
Going that way though. Yeah. Really, I'm trying to make you run out. Oh, see?
Please don't.
Look at the lineup. Look at the lineup. We up in an old school store. Oh, got nice watermelons.